Now we hit Submit. What are we submitting? Mailing says Schedule. Submit billing schedule. Now you can see, this is done. Now what you can do. So if you go to Schedule now, so if you see the contract, okay, under Contract you have different tab. Now all Schedule. If you come to Schedule, you can be sharing here. And we have different installments now. From the Since installment. Now we will generate the invoice. So, click on this installment-related action and say Create Customer Reviews. So this will be nuclei this. Hit OK. We hit on Refresh. One more refresh. One more refresh. So this is done. Invoice has been generated. Now this invoice will have the link of the customer contract that we just created. This invoice found. So billing schedule. You can see the billing schedule is also linked to this one. Building installment is also linked to this husband's voice. And it's called to words. Right, you will see the customer contract line also.